Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Sesame chicken, crispy fried bite-sized chicken pieces tossed in a rich glossy sesame sauce with the perfect balance of sweet, savoury, tangy and mildly spicy flavours. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for sesame chicken. It's a popular Asian dish loved around the world and surprisingly easy to make at home. We'll show you how to make extra crispy chicken and a delicious restaurant-style sesame sauce with easy-to-follow instructions and helpful cooking tips. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious sesame chicken. Step 1. Preparing the chicken. We have taken 500 grams or half kg of chicken boneless leg pieces. You can also take breast pieces if you prefer. Cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Add 1 egg. Apply the marination nicely to the chicken pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir everything gently so that the chicken can absorb the marination properly. Marinated chicken is ready. Cover and keep it aside for at least half an hour. After around half an hour, add half teaspoon of baking powder. Add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Take 3/4 cup of corn flour. Start by adding more than half the quantity of corn flour. Stir the marinated chicken so that the corn flour coats all the pieces nicely. Add 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Stir everything nicely. Now add the remaining corn flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Add another 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Mix and coat the chicken pieces, ensuring all the chicken pieces are coated properly with the corn flour. The consistency of the batter should be like the way I have shown. It should not be very runny and it should not also be too thick. Add little more corn flour or water if required to adjust the consistency. Coated and marinated chicken is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. For the sauce, in a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If not available, then regular white sugar can also be used. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or aromat powder. Or you can also use 1 chicken stock cube. Add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar or you can use white vinegar. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add half cup or 125 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Our sauce is ready. Ingredients for cooking. Take 3 spring onions. Slice the white part of the spring onion the way I have done. Cut the green part of the spring onions fine. You will also need half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 12 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. You will have to lightly dry roast the sesame seeds before adding. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for garnishing. To make cornflour slurry, take 2 teaspoons of cornflour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it nicely. Cornflour slurry is ready. Step 3. Frying the chicken. Place a wok or a kadai on medium heat and add cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, mix the marinated chicken well and add the chicken pieces one by one. Fry for around 5 to 6 minutes until they turn slightly golden brown. Do not overcrowd the pan by adding too many pieces at a time. If the pan is small, fry them in more batches. Turn them around so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Remove them after 5 to 6 minutes once they turn slightly golden brown. Place the chicken pieces in a strainer or on a paper napkin to get rid of the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining chicken pieces if you are frying them in multiple batches. We fried the chicken in 3 batches. Once all the chicken pieces are fried, increase the heat to medium-high and then add all the fried chicken pieces to fry them for a second time. Fry the chicken for a minute or so on medium-high heat. Once done, remove them and place them in a strainer or a paper napkin to get rid of the excess oil. Do not over-fry them or they will get hard inside. Fried chicken is ready. Step 4. Preparing the sesame chicken. Remove the extra oil and keep around 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan, or you can use 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Place the same pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Stir it nicely. After a minute, add the ginger pieces. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the spring onion whites. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After a minute or so, add the sauce. Add 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Once the sauce gets a nice boil, mix the cornflour slurry and add. Mix everything gently until the sauce thickens. Check for taste and add whatever is required. After a minute, once the sauce has thickened nicely and has become nice and glossy, add the fried chicken pieces. Mix everything properly so that all the chicken pieces are coated nicely in the glossy sauce. Check for salt and add if required. After a minute or so, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix everything nicely. After a minute, add the cut spring onion greens. Mix everything properly. Once done, put the heat off. Enjoy the sesame chicken hot with fried rice or noodles, or just relish it as a starter on its own. Garnish with spring onion greens and sesame seeds. Delicious sesame chicken is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.